Working with Renee has been a dream. This retreat has been really easy, it's been fun.
I've been part of Women Travel Leaders for a long time. The best thing I think I've gained from this experience is the connections that I've made with other women.
I wish I have access to this once every 2 months because that's so needed.
Yeah, I'm super excited. It's been really transformative.
We decided to use Tranquilo Bay because Renee has really created something special that feels completely like she's just opening up her family's home.
It's so peaceful. It's full of beautiful nature and it's just the perfect place to relax, decompress and really come back to who you are.
It's the online time together, it's the time in person. I have made some remarkable connections with people that I would not have made but for being a member of WTL.
That core group where we support each other, every time I go on once a month, I think, wow, why am I here? Why am I doing this? And something comes out of it, something significant. From a business perspective, there's always a theme, a problem that we work through.
And also Renee, because she is a leader in sustainable tourism, the exchange that was going on there was really impressive. In fact, some of our members decided to join us on the retreat because of Renee's commitment to sustainability.
The experience at the retreat has been very complete. It has been very open, very profound.
Disconnecting and yet have some very serious conversations around business.
What is it that I need right now in my personal life that might support me in my business? Because we all know that we don't have business problems, we have life problems that make their way into the business.
It helped to remind myself that I actually do have the tools. I do know a lot of these things. I need to be very intentional about saying, okay, this is the life that I want and this is what I need to do, and go ahead and do it.
I think my favorite moments, in addition to the connections, were snorkeling right by the edge of the mangroves and the monkeys, just to get up close to them. And last night, y'all don't know this, but I had one of the night monkeys almost come to my feet and I didn't know what it was and screamed and it ran away.
There's an aspect that you do in both the opening and the closing of the retreat where you look into each other's eyes.
There was a challenge, there was fear.
And it was very difficult the first time. I was very uncomfortable with it, but when we closed, it was beautiful.
Seeing everybody the first day and seeing everybody the last day and seeing the eyes, everybody's expression change.
It was a very different experience because I had made connection with these people. The connection allowed us to really look at each other, to feel seen, and then also to see each other.
It helps remind me that we are all connected. Thank you for doing what you do.
I love the whole concept of Tranquilo Bay. I think what they've done with this place is just incredible. And there's just so much love that's been poured into it, and you can really feel that.